can watch the next one, Ben.
Blizzard World.
Let's see how I size up to the other player.
Yeah.
Ryan Zarya, Lucio Mercy, Hanzo.
Brigitte. I play Brigitte.
I don't think so. I think.
I could
What do you
honor.
think? What did we run here last time?
I don't remember.
It's been a while since we played this map.
We
Right?
either ran double spam with Hanzo Junk or we ran break Hanzo. I think we ran break Hanzo.
The thing is, if they don't have a Widow player, like the question is, are they gonna run a Widow on the defense? If they're not gonna run a Widow, we could just jump in with a Pharah .1 and easy clap them.
You could probably get away with the Pharah .1, but more than likely on
Yeah,
point
you
2
would
they're gonna
swap
switch
it.
to
you
would
Widow.
cannot
swap
play
it.
Pharah. It is
Yeah.
almost impossible.
The thing is, like on this map, like you guys saw how that Overwatch League game went a few, was it a week ago now?
I
Who
don't
was
know.
it? It was, I don't know. What, an underdog won just by swapping comp 3 times.
Yeah, it was Dallas against Boston. Oh no, that was yesterday or whatever.
Nah, it was a week ago.
But
It was like
swapped a
Seoul.
bunch.
I don't
What?
know. I don't know.
Couple weeks ago?
Yeah, maybe a week ago. Not a couple weeks ago. I don't know. I'm losing track of time.
Am I playing Pharah or what?
You're playing
Play
Pharah.
Hanzo.
Pharah
Play
Hanzo.
Hanzo first, and if they
No,
don't
I'm
have,
about to honor.
No.
Yeah, I won't.
You won't.
Oh.
Wait,
Alright, this is fine, I guess.
5.
I'll start on Hanzo. If no Widow, then
if no
Pharah.
Widow, then Pharah.
Attackers incoming. Defend
Yeah, but it-
objective A.
They have
Orisa?
Orisa.
Let's wrap through red side.
Hog, Brigitte,
I
They
have
don't
no
have a
shield.
Junkrat. They don't have a Junkrat, so they don't
I
have
have
a
no shield. I have no shield. My shield's gone.
Yeah,
You can
well,
hide and build
they're
shield
gonna,
here.
they're gonna pull combo the next person that tries to walk through. Wait, Ben.
We're all
Oh
six, we're all
god.
six through. We're all through.
I dodged.
No,
Just
Ben was late.
Let's shield recharge. Let's shield recharge. Did they back some
They all
point?
dropped the point. They dropped the point.
Alright, do you guys want to do full wrap
Full
or
wrap,
just
full wrap,
full
full
wrap,
Full
full
wrap,
wrap,
full
full
wrap, full
wrap?
wrap, full wrap.
Hold on.
Alright,
I'm
you
gonna
guys
They're
ready to
rotating. They're
ready,
rotating.
ready?
push this Orisa. Push the
You guys
Orisa.
I'm
now?
busting the shield.
I
Shield's
got
low.
hooked, I got hooked.
Shield's dead.
Cleaving.
Orisa half.
Pushing. I have no shield. I have no shield.
Orisa one.
Orisa
Orisa
one.
one.
I can shield dodge.
I have no shield. My shield is broke.
Hog one.
We're all dead.
Also one up top.
He's full.
Stay with me, Ben. We're gonna bait the fuck out of them. No, Ben, stop, boy!
Alright, I'm stopping the Pharah.
Big pitch.
If you just sit here and wait just a second, I can get grab and we can win this next fight.
You guys are gonna get pushed.
I know,
I have
I
Dragon,
wanted
you
to
have
die.
Dragon.
Yeah,
I
that's
have
what I was.
Dragon very soon.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
You gotta pick me, Lucia. Woo!
And so we just speed boost, man. We speed boost left side.
They're gonna
away
have
from them.
support ult stuff.
It doesn't matter. We
High
played
ground again.
I'm fucked.
Like them.
I don't think we need to take high ground. I think we just need to get our Hanzo and
Wait,
speed
yeah,
us
wait.
Need
up.
to go play.
We literally just need to explode
Hold on,
out.
hold on.
Left,
Tell me-
left
Wait
side.
for
me
my
when you-
shield to recharge. Okay, go,
I got 8%, I need to have one shot.
Okay.
Hanzo left.
Careful the hook.
Body.
Just pull the
Yes,
cord.
sir.
Are you ready? You ready?
I
don't have it yet.
I'm dead.
And they're not
No ult,
peeking
no
me.
ult.
I have it now.
You
Can't get it if they're behind a shield and they're not peeking me, dude.
I tried saving you, I'm sorry.
Yeah, it
I got pulled.
doesn't matter.
Might be
That
the
point
big
is
dead.
done. Get hooked.
They rallied.
Got you, Ben. Get out. Ben, where are you?
They can survive the grab now. We have to pop. All of our ults here. We have to pop the
I can do
Valkyrie
shatter
as well.
after it.
No, we don't need a valve.
Don't peek.
No, we
don't
do.
peek.
They have
Make sure you damage
armor
boost.
trance and
Yeah,
Val.
you don't
I
need the
promise you,
valve.
they live it. I promise you, they live it.
Push,
Alright.
Push right side. Push right
Make
side.
sure
Push
the
right
damage
side.
boost.
I can bow again if you want.
No, don't do it. Don't do it.
Okay.
Wait. Don't peek yet. Don't peek
Just
yet.
make sure you damage boost the Hanzo.
Alright,
ready?
Go now.
Speed guys.
It's
I
fat as
can't
fuck.
push into it. I can't push
Big
into it.
damage, big damage, big
I
damage.
can't push into it. The hog.
Big dead.
Mercy dead. I have no shield. Break.
Hog is low.
Break just killed her Mercy.
Break. Kill break.
On her.
It's so winnable though.
Their Zen is in our spawn right now.
It's okay.
Get
Leave
the-
him.
Dead.
Oh, we should have
He's going
left
to
him.
site.
Long spawn.
You have long
I
smile, I'll
got
come
you.
back.
I got him.
Oh, you're young.
Fuck it, I'm gonna bow tank.
I have
No.
grab. Wait, do they have
What?
grab? Do they have grab Hanzo? If they do, I'm gonna say
They
rally.
just switched to rally to Zarya.
Yeah, they had hog previously.
City's one. Versus
They
one.
just
Alright, I'm gonna pop rally this next fight once we're all here.
There's no storm on chariot. I'm recharging shield.
We're here. Where is Cart?
I have shatter.
Oh, We have not moved card at all.
Back off, back off, back off, back off, back off, back off.
It's
Hanzo's
half.
on turret. Hanzo's on turret.
Okay. I'm going up to the contest.
Dragon again? Should I hold? Should I hold dragon?
Hold.
Yeah, definitely.
I have quarter shield. I'm
gonna beat us in once we use next barrier, and then we're just gonna speed speeding.
Good go.
Good job. That was really good.
Hanzo down the back. Hanzo up. Oversaw me.
Body blocking, body blocking. I'm gonna grab this. You ready?
No.
Fucking good slap, dude.
Here, I'm here.
We got it.
Yeah.
Alright, hold on. I don't have it anymore. They ran away. Now doing it. Bat.
Oh, sorry, Shrimp.
Lucio, why, buddy?
Hanzo's on left side.
Oh, who's in there? Mercy? No? You gotta peek me?
Did I turret
Yeah.
side at least?
Yep.
Yeah, that's why we should have. I wasn't alive.
No, I could have got that off the first time. If I would have done it when they first did it, they would have died. I could actually clear the shield.
My res on the Rhyme bugged out, so the extra damage wasn't there.
Yeah. I have no shield, by the way. Charging. We gotta play this quickly.
Alrighty, let's go.
3, 2, 1, go now. Speed into them.
I am.
I have no shield. It's gone.
We got one.
Wrestle one dead.
They're Hanzo's right side.
Hanzo's low.
70 on grab.
Sorry, grab. She's dead.
She died. She died.
Mercy.
No, she does. She wouldn't have done that unless she had it. Alright, you should pop rally. We can win this next fight.
3 on cart, and I think we got it.
I'm waiting.
I don't think they have it on risk.
Top
Oh, they have a
right,
Rhino.
top
They have a
right.
Rhino. They might
I'm
get
telling,
hurt.
Right,
I'm telling you, dude, they're gonna charge out. No, never mind. He's not in position.
Yeah. It's really hard to get the last second fight on this map.
I have dragon, by the way.
I have grab.
I'm cart bitch.
Shatter.
They're Hanzo's peeking right side with Zen.
That shield's half already.
Holy shit, dude.
I'm saving Rally till next fight because we assume they have grab.
I'm gonna grab the fuck out of them in like 2 seconds. Going now.
Do it.
Fat as fuck. Fat as fuck.
I'm tagged. I'm dead.
It's okay. It doesn't matter.
Wow, dude.
3 on cart. I'm gonna speed back.
Bro, I'm
around.
really good at this game. You see that I got all 6.
I shatter.
Good job, dude. It's almost like they're all standing in the same spot for some reason. What idiots.
Yeah, it's really dumb how they did that.
Okay, we're gonna
They
careful.
just
up
showed
right
our
here.
cart.
I've shattered.
Alright, I can try to stun Ryan here.
They have shatter as well.
I stun Ryan. I stun them back.
I got it out.
They're gonna shatter the fuck out of us. Here goes.
Screwed.
That was
Nice
mine.
one.
That's one.
You got shatter.
The brig is behind
Dead.
us.
Back off. Leave. Swing. Bro.
Oh, Shrin, come back.
Resing.
got
I can protect you.
Nice. We're up one.
Getting a Rhino.
Good.
We're not. We're even.
Almost that back.
I have dragon again. What's
They have
grab?
Do we back this? No.
I must have grab.
You have grab
grab.
again.
They're gonna go. Yeah, there's
No ults.
Back.
They have no cleave.
Alright, go now. Far. Push.
I'm ready.
Bad as fuck.
I'm stunned. I can't clear the
DPS.
I know.
Get the Ryan out of our backline.
Run off
Hanzo
and try
me.
to shoot him. I
He's
got
low.
you.
He's one. Kill him.
Where?
I'm main.
On him.
Melee him.
They're Hanzo's still alive. Far right.
I see him. Oh my god, dude.
Zen left
Goodbye.
side. Break.
I've shattered.
She used her stun. She has her stun.
Then one.
Mercy down.
Mercy down. Hanzo right side. 1.
I'm on him.
Nice. How many grabs, Hondo?
Complete.
5.
Oh my god.
He had one every fight.
Score.
I
Yeah.
think.
That boy, he built 3 grabs at a time, and that boy built 1, bro.
Do
He
you
had
guys feel that we got
1.
a lot out of the break there, or do you think it would have been value to just have like a Pharah Hanzo?
It's good for keeping me alive. I'll tell you that much. It
Alright.
makes me like 10 times more sustainable because the armor.
I want to run Ryan's already a double sniper with Mercy Zen.
That works.
Do you guys think the Mercy Lucio would be better? We're gonna be playing relatively tight.
Maybe.
All right,
What it do?
I don't know. Don't care.
we'll run the Mercy Zen.
Think about this. We can survive that combo if we do
If we
Ana
buff
and
trans.
Brig.
Ana Zen it's like you
don't
can
survive 100% of the time.
play the Zen. Play the Zen.
Okay.
Oh, hey, what's up, Wolf?
The thing is, it relies on so much. Like the Ana has to have nade on cooldown, right? Or off
Yes.
cooldown. She has to
Right.
hit the nade without
Right.
getting like fucked up. The Zen has to have trance. He has to use trance. And
Hitting Q is hard.
Yeah.
well, and it's not
no,
just.
you're
hitting
right.
Q,
I've
it's
done
like-
it. I've done the combo before and lost. Even
Yeah, sometimes
it's
you
not
will.
reliable.
the thing is, you come out of a grab and your team is alive, but you're all in this clusterfuck, so you
Yeah,
can't
so
actually
you-
win from that position.
Then you
Yeah,
get
probably
shattered.
Shattered.
Yeah, and still,
Like-
a Squishy can die with like 2 headshots. from
And this
Hanzo.
whole time, your Hanzo and Zarya are building ult slower because they're not getting damage boosted, and you're not having the utility of being able to res a target. So if you make mistakes, you're fucked. Like I think actually the comp is probably like better if everything's perfect, but
Yeah,
not-
you're
we're
right.
not
But
tier one
this
players.
dude has been like
Attackers incoming.
spoiling people.
Defend
yeah,
objective
no, that's
A.
true. That's definitely true. Anyways, we gotta focus up.
They
Mercy
have Pharah?
They don't
and
have
Hanzo.
Yeah, they do. Yeah, they do. Yeah, they do. Drop in 3, 2.
Hanzo half. Oh,
I
I'm
got
gonna do.
barely dropping right now.
Oh, they took my shield. He took my shield. He took my shield.
Hanzo's on left
Zarya
side.
one, Zarya one, Zarya one.
1-0, no,
Big zone, a big zone.
1 HP.
Mercy discorded.
Got him.
I need
Body
help, I need
blocking,
help.
body blocking, body blocking.
Zarya still 1, left side, left side.
Shield's up in one, dude.
Lucio one, Lucio one, Lucio one.
I'm on point.
Oh, tap,
Zarya
Lucio.
left side by Taco. Left side Taco. Left side Taco.
Get on
Lucio.
Lucio.
Half.
On the healer. Lucio
Pharah
on the
half in the
healer.
air. Pharah half in the air.
He's half. He's half. He's getting out. I can't push. I have no health.
Help me with Zarya, help me with Zarya. Okay, okay,
What do I have?
okay,
I
get
don't
up,
have
Rika.
She's
Oh,
one,
shit.
one.
Do we have
Do you have res?
res?
Do you have res?
Yeah, I do.
Alright, good, good, good.
I called that Zarya 1 HP for so
I know, dude. I was
I
on her,
couldn't
bro.
push her. I had no health.
When everybody becomes
Reset,
1
reset,
HP,
reset, reset,
and nobody
reset.
wants to
Yeah,
swap
everyone
off.
reset, chill.
What else do they have soon?
Maybe. They
maybe
just.
Hanzo.
They,
They're gonna
they
have-
switched to junk. They switched to junk. No more Pharaoh.
I'm gonna play on bottom. I'm not gonna.
They might be sorted near Zarya, right? She lived a while.
No.
She lived
She
for
didn't
quite
get
a
any
while.
damage.
She's pretty high charge.
She put all of her damage into Renok shield.
Yeah.
They're pushing Renok left.
Oh,
Good
someone's
shot.
dead.
That's
They're gonna res
Tank-
it.
Res
Tanks
it.
can drop.
No,
I have
Alabama?
dragon. Can I use dragon or no?
You can.
I'm
Yeah, you
not
can probably.
shattered.
Yeah.
I got
Oh,
no
never mind.
I'm stunned.
I already did it.
Oh, okay. That's good. That's
Yeah,
fine.
you
That's fine.
It was bad,
Okay.
yeah.
Stay right there,
Yeah,
son.
Lucio on him.
Zarya point. Zarya point. No bubble,
I
no
got
bubble.
Hanzo. Hanzo's left side.
Yeah.
Hanzo
I
left
can't
side,
do anything
leave.
about him. I'm above sight. I need heals, Ben. Do you see me? I'm
Healed a
above
bunch.
sight. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
My bad,
Be
dude.
careful.
You go.
Be
It's
careful.
all
I
good.
got tunnel vision.
I have sights of
So-
sex
Hey,
fight.
Wait,
put
Ryan,
Renok, stay
peek,
in
Ryan,
LOS.
peek for Mercy.
I need a fly.
I'm here.
I'd get
Charge
it.
charging out.
They definitely probably have a Hanzo ult.
I
this
know
fight.
you were already charging.
I like
She has,
hiding over here.
she has grab as well.
I have
They're gonna
shatter.
combo us. We should play split. The DPS need to be up top with the Zenyatta, and everybody else needs to be on bottom with us.
I like playing over here, honestly. I can get out this way too.
Okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Here's some-
They're going right. They're trying to bait us in. Don't group up.
Yeah, they're coming to me. I'm just
I'm going
getting
for
out.
shatter.
Oh, Hanzo just.
I got that. I'm down.
Okay, I face check the shield.
Run 1.
Hit. I'm dead.
Run low, run low, run low.
I'm about to grab. Grabbing.
We're even.
Wait, wait.
Dunks and stacks.
Grabbing.
Dunks and stacks. Good.
They're
No, we
boosting
win.
us.
We survive. We survive. We
Zarya
survive.
1, Zarya 1, Zarya 1.
Mercy, mercy, mercy one, mercy one, mercy one. Good job, Ben.
Behind.
Schwinn, can you
Hold on,
res?
bro.
No, no,
Jump
no, no.
one.
I got you, boy.
Who's on point? Who's on
Hanzo one.
point?
Hanzo one.
popping.
Hanzo one. Hanzo one.
Point,
Hanzo
point,
one.
point. We give him a tick.
Ben's popping.
He thought he was gonna face check my boy's bit. Dude, the Junkrat tried to jump it. Fucking Ben. Negative. Negative.
Nice
Alright.
job, dude.
I got
Have
dragon
a
again.
seat.
Tire.
All right, reset Hagen.
60 seconds.
I need to get my oil back. What the fuck? That hitbox is broke.
They used grab dragon there, so they don't have that. They might have
They
Junkrat
have a
fire.
hog now. They have
No, they have
a
hog.
support.
And Brigette, and Brigette. They're gonna try to brawl the fuck out of us.
All right, if
Yeah.
we play split and slow, like just don't drop until you have to. Okay, last second. Don't give it up, but don't drop until you have to. We want to get
I'm
as
gonna
much.
dragon to split them once they get on.
I'm
Okay.
gonna drop.
Alright.
I'm dropping.
Drop,
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 Drop.
No boot. No hook.
Big split, big split.
They're on me.
Zarya
has
I'm
no
right
shield.
side. Right side. Right
Oh,
side.
Mercy
Zarya's
just
half.
came up there.
I'm one. I'm
Zarya's
dying
1. Zarya's 1 HP. Dead.
Dead.
You're gonna try and res?
I might have
Oh,
shattered.
dude, that fucking
Mercy
Mercy.
dead?
Nothing. Use nothing.
Just
Nine
Dynacart. Dynacart, yeah.
Oh, she booped me off and I tried to
Long
get
spawn
past.
isn't that long on this map.
Oh, that would have been a game winner, dude.
I'm gonna have shatter.
All right, we have grab. Let's wait for combo on it though. We're getting close to sites though. She'll be helpful.
I'm 50. I can just
We,
probably get it.
we could just cleave the. They don't have.
Yeah, they don't have.
They don't have beat. They just use
After
beat.
the next dragon, we're gonna swap to Pharah Hanzo.
No.
Okay.
That
Yeah,
idea.
yeah.
Let's go.
Hog no hook.
So can I grab this? Can I grab this on cart?
Sides, go for it.
Not
I
far.
have
You're
sides.
right. Junkrat.
Ryan's alone,
Junkrat.
Ryan's alone.
Wait. I'm about. Wait for cart. Wait for cart. All right, pull him to cart. Pull him to cart. I'm gonna step behind Ryan. 3, 2, 1. Grabbing. Bat. Hold team.
Shield me. Moving.
Dude, they should all die. They should all die. Everyone dies. Everyone dies. Oh
You don't have a
no.
Lucio. You don't have a Lucio.
Okay. Back off.
Reset.
I've left.
I've shield.
Please, no
Reset,
diarrhenies.
reset,
No
reset,
diarrhenies.
reset.
No die.
Okay, I'm getting up.
Play right
You're
here.
dead. I have dragon. I'm just gonna pop it. We fucked up. We should have waited for comp.
No, that's fine.
I have shatter.
It's fine.
Yeah,
built
we
the
got shatter off of it. They used.
Coming in.
All right, I'm popping it soon. I'm popping it. 3, 2, 1. Splitting it.
Two down.
Good.
Big
Shatter.
Bring them.
Oh, that's a good pull.
Mercy Discord.
Come on, Zarya on cart.
I'll just have.
She's trying to build grab.
Dead.
They might have grab this next fight.
Hog's
He's
looking
waiting
for
to hook you up,
virus
don't
on
peek
top.
him, he's looking
Yeah,
at
I know. I'm gonna bait it out. Oh no. Okay. He knew it was me.
Got him. He has no hook right now.
They haven't changed
Hey, play
anything.
split. Play split.
They have shatter and they have grove.
Play on guns, dude.
Recurve, you crashed? Recurve's crashed. PP.
He crashed.
Yeah, he's
Okay.
crashed.
I'm charging in right now, by the way, so I'm kind of dead as soon as we unpause.
No, I have shield.
We got a dead boy.
I might survive. I might actually
Dude.
kill someone.
It
I
is
kinda-
actually very suspect from their end. Like every time we're about to fight, we tactical pause.
Fucking D. No,
Quick,
it's because it's PSU.
Pull your
is
power out.
stupid. Have him download.
This
more
guy's
RAM.
tilted though. Hamster is sideways right now.
What is he playing?
I don't
He's
know.
playing
Hold on.
Zarya, yeah, because
Oh.
I shattered him last fight.
No, dude, I tell you why he's mad. His whole team's like, bro, why you grab so fucking slow, dude? Why you grab so slow, dude?
Yo, I'm always putting the discords on the tanks. So if you're fucking melting that bitch, you're gonna get your grab so much faster.
Dude,
Oh fuck no! I just dropped garlic bread on my fucking floor, dude. Oh, no.
Yo, he's an integral part of the team. You can't just sub someone.
Yeah, dude, what the fuck?
Don't they?
yeah,
know?
you like how I called him out, dude?
No, dude.
Level, honestly, it's
Yeah,
like
yeah,
shit
yeah.
is like shit like this like even happen in contenders. It's not.
Yeah.
It's not even funny. It's not even funny. It's like you can't have an scrim without pausing in a mid team fight.
I
Yeah.
love how Wolf automatically knows he lives near Miami. That's a lol, dude. He lives in Florida.
The Miami boy.
I'm just glad this is East Coast team.
Well, I mean, I live in Miami too, and I know how scuff our internet are.
Yo, they shut the fuck up when I said that to them. That's really funny.
No, they stopped playing. No,
Recurve is crashing. Goddamn. All right,
I
time to
don't-
inject some caffeines.
yeah.
Yeah, the first time.
I'll be right back.
Let me explain this to you, Wolf. The first time his processor pins were bent, so he had to get his girlfriend or get his friend or whatever to to unbend all the pins on the processor. And now it's him.
How do you even bend the How do you bend the CPU? Like what the
'Cause
fuck?
he didn't install it right.
God damn it!
What kind of shit
There's-
is that? You don't
there's
have someone to
legit-
sub? Like, oh, where's your sub at? Is your sub in the lobby? Dude, these kids are fucking idiots, dude.
Yeah. I mean, what would they rather? Would they rather fucking 6v5? Like, come on, bro.
Well, they tried to earlier.
Yeah,
no, they
fucking
did.
earlier.
These kids are scuffers, dude. Yo, blacklist this team.
Oh, come on now.
It's Schwinn. It's
I mean,
Schwinn.
I
Oh,
found
what?
him, so I'm just not gonna scrim him again.
Yeah,
He's-
no, blacklist them, dude.
I mean,
this is
I
stu-
don't have to blacklist him to not scrim him again. I
Well,
can
there's a
just be a
possibility
little-
we'll run into them again, like
just a-
later.
What
It's
happened?
just they're
I know, I'm
they're
here.
BMing, dude. They're BMing.
Why are they BMing?
You know why they're BMing.
I
Oh, because they crashed?
Tilted, that's all. Everybody gets tilted.
They're
I knew- I
BMing
knew
because
you
I
said that, I don't
crashed?
know.
Is that why?
Yeah.
What are they saying?
They just said get someone to sub. Who doesn't?
Yo, Hundo, chill, bro. Chill.
Yeah, you're losing sight of the game right now. All right, what are we thinking about? What's going on here? What was our plan?
I'm about to fucking die.
No,
Who
I
is
have
that?
shield. I have shield.
Okay, you have shield.
I have-
I
I have
might
shield,
actually pin someone.
I
Yeah,
have
but
chance, but I'm really far away.
So
Here,
we're gonna
invite
be
me.
down our Hanzo here, right?
I know.
I want you to grab Junkrat, and then Adu's gonna swap to Hanzo if we lose this fight. Okay?
Okay.
This wasn't guy literally just said, watch out during tournament, you might get disqualified for this. Is he
Nah.
threatening?
Wait, disqualified for what? Having a
DC.
guy DC.
Having
too many
a guy
times?
who DC too many times, but you get 5-minute pauses per map in most tourneys, so it's probably
We're-
fine.
We're taking our.
Alright,
There
I'm
are.
starting it. I'm starting it. I'm
Okay.
about to charge.
Alright, so what's going on?
Let's,
I'm
let's,
about
I'm
to
gonna-
charge into their team and
watch
kill
out.
someone.
Roadhog's gonna hook.
No, I had to. Yeah, they
It's
grabbed.
okay.
They grabbed.
They only
solo
got him.
grabbed
They
me.
only got him.
Zarya won.
I got fucking launched. I have no shield, by the way. They have shattered too.
Okay.
Good shot, dude.
Yeah,
Good
yeah.
job.
Regroup shield. Regroup shield.
Nice,
Regroup
nice.
shield. Regroup shield.
I got it.
Almost there.
They're gonna try to stun me. Ryan's playing aggro. They have no bubble. He's
Is
playing
this
me
going?
out. Zarya.
That's
after
what
that-
Kill
Zarya-
Zarya, kill Zarya, kill Zarya, kill Zarya, kill Zarya, kill Zarya, kill Zarya.
I suppose
one.
they're out.
Honor, she's
No hook.
dead.